Sam's searching once more for Spotty. Without her realizing, he wandered off from his hiding place in the undergrowth.
It's kind of hard to see inside. It's a really, really thick bush.
Sam, do you copy?
We have no sign of the cub. We've come to the next bush here just to have a look, maybe if he's returned to the old bush that he was in before.
With the light fading fast, she scours the area.
Maybe we'll see eyes.
She's worried that desperate Spotty has tried to follow Sarabi's trail.
That would be worst case scenario because he'd be lost and the mums would never know where he is. No sign of Spotty.
Sam takes one more look by the river for signs of Spotty or the mothers.
Don't see anything. There's no sign of them, no fresh tracks since the rains.
It's likely that Spotty is lost forever.
I am hoping that if Spotty didn't make it, that it was swift and that he hasn't suffered for too long.
The disappearance of Rosa, Zuri, and the other 4 cubs is also a mystery Sam would like to solve. But time is running out.
We're going to have to be leaving soon because the whole park shuts down in the rainy season. And it would be an amazing parting gift just to see the mums and the cubs one last time to make sure they're safe before we leave.
Over the next few days, the rains appear with more frequency.
Certainly been quite heavy showers in sort of small localized areas, and puddles, huge puddles have developed on the road.
The mothers have been missing for more than a week. Sam and Nathan look everywhere.
We're just in the area where the mothers and the cubs have generally always been hidden, trying to find tracks. The worst case scenario is that the mothers have lost a number of the cubs. It's not looking very good at the moment.
After days of searching, there's no sign of the mothers and cubs. But Nathan does find most of their pride by the river.
So we've actually got pretty much the rest of the MK Pride here, all the youngsters, Kimber and Maya and all the siblings, so a lot of the younger sort of teenage lions. But I think they actually seem to be hunting quite well, which is great news because it's kind of showing that they're capable of going on to the next level.
The Pride is really going to need those skills because their best hunter is absent.
We've got most of the MK Pride here together. However, Sarabi's missing. With Sarabi's wound, I really hope she's okay.
Sarabi was last seen heading off into the night, calling for Spotty's mother. Sam and Nathan might never know if that was her last act to protect her pride.
Unfortunately, the end of the season is basically here, so only time will tell. We won't know for another 6 months.
It's almost time for the team to leave. Sam makes one last search for the 4 remaining cubs.
So it's been a few days since we last saw Spotty, the last cub. Kind of just come to terms that he's gone. Not seeing the mums and the cubs for so long now does make us worried because where are they? What's happened?
But then,
Oh, I think I can see something.
there's movement in the distance.
Oh, I can see cubs. There's two. Two cubbies playing. 3, 4. 4 cubs so far. Is that Spotty? I think this is Spotty. Oh my goodness. There's 5 cubs here.
Against overwhelming odds, Spotty has found his mother.
Oh, Spotty. This is literally the most amazing morning. We have 5 cubs here. To be honest, I was like, it's not going to happen. This cub is not going to survive. And somehow these mothers have managed to find the cub. He's back with his mom. I actually can't believe it. Spotty is looking so good. He's looking fat, he's looking healthy, he's keeping up with the rest of the cubs. Yeah, it's so sweet to see. Thank goodness for Sarabi, for looking after him, grooming him, and for calling Mum, letting the mums know where little Spotty was. She did a great job.
Not only have all the cubs made it to the end of the dry season,
I can't get over this.
but they finally, properly met their fathers. The punks are with them, watching over the next generation of the MK Pride as they enter a new chapter in the Luangwa Valley.
I think, if anything, if the cubs are as strong as Spotty, then they'll definitely make it, because he really survived against all odds.
After months following the lions, it's time for Nathan and Sam to leave.
What an amazing season.
It really has been. I mean, we've got cubs, which we didn't expect.
The boys coming in and chasing all the prides all over the place.
Yeah, let's hope that the Hollywoods do stick with the nomads, and
Yeah.
I would love to see Hollywood cubs.
Yeah.
It has been a season like no other. And I can't wait to see what happens next.
Hey, Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.